Some of the dental restorations we provide at LSK 121 include combination cases. An example of a combo case would be this one here, a pair of screw-retained metal ceramic implants that attach to a chrome-cobalt partial. But how do we design these kinds of restorations? In this video, we'll take a look at the fabrication of this specific restoration, combining two metal prosthetics into one. Stay tuned. First, we start by designing the two implants and attachment pieces with wax. These implants will eventually be casted, with porcelain built upon them, before finally being shaded to blend into the patient's mouth. Once the implants are finished, the partial is then designed, also in wax. After finishing the wax framework, it's time to prepare for casting. When it's done being prepped, the wax framework is ready to be cast into metal. Once cast, the partial can be fabricated on top of the metal framework. During fabrication, the framework needs to be trimmed for occlusion so that it will fit perfectly in the mouth. Then, set the teeth onto the partial. Once set, the gingiva tissue is festooned and characterized. Lastly, we make sure that everything fits and looks correctly. If all looks good, the combo case is sent out to the doctor for the patient to try out. Here's a look at the finished combo case. As you can see, the partial fits perfectly to the attachments on the implants. This case was from Dr. Ken Wolnik in Ohio. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in seeing more dental restorations like this, follow Luke on social media at Luke Kahng. For more dental tech content, become a YouTube member or join our Patreon at patreon.com/LukeKahng.